Example 3. Here you've been given this diagram. I'm going to try see if you can apply the rules that you should be grasping now. Given that AX from here to here, it is 13.5 centimeters, and BX equals to 6 centimeters, and PX is equals to 18 centimeters. Estimate the length of XQ. So you want to figure what is this length here. Now, the secant equation is what you guys would be using. So the way you're going to do this is that consider that you had a BX and a tangent here, and also could work with that equation going in that direction. So you have to apply. So we're gonna imagine that there's a tangent at the same time, and we're gonna equate them, all of them. Okay, so we're gonna say now that recall that we're gonna have a tangent. So let's just imagine that the tangent here is an unknown. So the way you're going to do this is, let me see what letter can we use. Let's use the letter C. Okay, just imagine that there's a letter C with a tangent, and forget about this PQX, just that line with a tangent. So we would have CX squared is equals to AX times XB, and also we could imagine that that same tangent is with the other secant. So we can say that CX squared is equals to PX times XQ. So since both of them equals to CX squared, we can say that AX times XB equals PX times XQ. So that's what we end up with the equation by putting both equations together. Okay, so when we substitute into our equation, we can now evaluate for XQ. So this is what we want by itself. So we can rearrange the equation to get XQ by itself. So we end with XQ squared is equals to AX times XB over PX. Okay, so now what we do is to substitute into our equation, and we end up with AX, which is 13.5 times XB, which is 6, times PX, which is 18, and we evaluate. So we take our calculator now, and we will see 13.5 times 6 divided by 18. Okay, and that gives us our value of 4.5 as our solution in this case, and the unit we can put it centimeter. So at the end, always underline your answer, and if you had to do wrong that, you just put your decimal points 1 decimal point accurate so that they know, and that's the solution for working out this type of questions here. Just imagine that there would be a tangent and the secant still it. Since both of them are in the same circle, then you can equate both equations to make one and just simply evaluate.